Hello? Today we're diving into something that can either be your best financial friend or your worst nightmare: credit cards. They're like having financial superpowers, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility.
Strong focus on what I want.
In today's video, you'll discover how to build an excellent credit score using credit cards, the hidden fees that could be draining your wallet, smart strategies to earn maximum rewards without falling into debt, the truth about credit card interest and how to avoid it completely, emergency fund strategies to prevent credit card dependence, the right number of credit cards to have, advanced techniques for maximizing your credit card benefits. Before we continue, if you are wondering how to awaken your financial genius, you can watch the video in the cards section. I also added a short story at the end of the video for a better understanding of the credit cards. Don't forget to listen to it. Problem number 1, the minimum payment trap. You know that tempting little number at the bottom of your bill? The minimum payment might look friendly, but it's actually a wolf in sheep's clothing. Here's why. If you have a $3,000 balance with a 20% APR and only make minimum payments, you'll end up paying over $4,000 in interest alone and take more than 18 years to pay it off. Solution: always pay your full balance every month. If you can't pay in full, pay at least double the minimum. Use automatic payments to never miss a due date. Track your spending daily using your cards app. Now, let's tackle another crucial issue that could be costing you thousands. This one's a game changer, so pay close attention. Problem number 2, the rewards chase spiral. People often get caught up in chasing credit card rewards, opening multiple cards, and spending more than they normally would just to hit bonus targets. This can lead to a dangerous spiral of overspending and juggling multiple payment dates. Solution: choose 1 to 2 cards that match your actual spending patterns. Calculate the true value of rewards. 1 point usually equals 1 cent. Never spend extra just to earn points. Keep a spreadsheet tracking your reward earnings and annual fees. Speaking of fees, our next problem is one that sneaks up on even the savviest credit card users. Problem number 3, hidden fee avalanche. From annual fees to foreign transaction charges, balance transfer costs to cash advance fees, these sneaky charges can add up fast. A recent study showed that the average cardholder pays $427 in fees annually. Solution: read the full terms and conditions before applying. Mark annual fee dates in your calendar. Consider no annual fee cards for your first card. Call your issuer to request fee waivers. Success rate is over 70%. The credit score conundrum. This deserves special attention because it affects your entire financial future. Many people don't realize that credit cards are the fastest way to build credit or destroy it. Your credit utilization, how much of your available credit you're using, makes up 30% of your credit score. Detailed solution strategy. Keep your credit utilization under 30%, ideally under 10%. Set up balance alerts at 25% of your credit limit. Request credit limit increases every 6 to 12 months. Never close your oldest credit card. Length of credit history matters. Space out new card applications by at least 6 months. Check your credit report monthly for errors. It's free. Let's recap our major challenges and solutions. The minimum payment trap, solved by paying in full or well above the minimum. The rewards chase, controlled by focusing on 1 to 2 cards matching your spending. Hidden fees, managed through careful reading and tracking. Credit score building, mastered through strategic utilization and regular monitoring. Before we wrap up, here are some crucial tips that could save you thousands. The grace period is your friend. You typically have 21 to 25 days after your statement closes to pay without interest. Credit card insurance and purchase protection can be valuable. Many cards offer extended warranties and theft protection. Consider freezing your credit card in ice if you struggle with impulse spending. Most credit card theft happens online. Use virtual card numbers for online shopping. Sign up for text alerts for every transaction over $0. This catches fraud immediately. Remember, credit cards are tools. They're not good or bad on their own. It's all about how you use them. Master these strategies, and you'll join the 40% of Americans who never pay a penny in credit card interest while earning hundreds or even thousands in rewards each year. Let me share a simple story that puts all of this into perspective. Imagine you're borrowing your friend's car. Every time you borrow it, you have a full month to fill up the gas tank before you have to pay anything. If you fill up the tank right away, your friend is happy, and they'll let you keep borrowing the car. They might even give you rewards like free car washes or gas discounts. But if you don't fill up the tank within that month, your friend starts charging you extra for every day you delay. Not only do you have to pay for the original gas, but now you're paying extra fees that keep growing. Soon, you're paying way more than the gas would have cost in the first place. That's exactly how a credit card works. The car is like your credit card. The gas you use is like your purchases. The 1-month period is your grace period. Filling up the tank is like paying your full balance. The extra charges are like credit card interest. The rewards are, well, your credit card rewards. The smart move? Fill up the tank, pay your balance right away. Keep your friend, the credit card company, happy, enjoy the rewards, and never pay those extra fees. Simple, right? If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more financial wisdom. Drop a comment below sharing your best credit card tip or horror story. We can all learn from each other's experiences. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to catch our next videos.
My back! Oh, my back! Oh.